Tired of guessing how much to bill clients, or struggling to track your project's true cost? Setting hourly rates for your team in Clockify is the key to accurate labor costs, project profitability insights, and streamlined client billing. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have admin privileges. Then, navigate to the Clockify web application. Look for the Team section in the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll manage your team members and their associated rates. Click on it. Now, find the employee you want to set a rate for. Click on their name to access their profile. Within the employee's profile, you'll see several tabs. Select the hourly rate tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see a field to enter the hourly rate. Simply type in the rate you want to assign to this employee. Once you've entered the rate, click the Add Rate button. The rate is now saved, and you'll see the effective date listed. This allows you to track rate changes over time. You can add multiple rates for different periods. And that's it. Clockify will now use this rate to calculate labor costs in your reports, helping you understand project profitability and simplifying client billing. Happy tracking!